For the experiential learning, it's really been something that I've gotten a chance to experience firsthand. Coming in, I got hands-on experience right away. Being in part of radio and TV, that was something that I looked for when I was deciding on a college, and that was something that I was able to get with Otterbein. Right away, my first week, I was calling a football game, and I wanted to go into sports broadcasting, so that was something that was really cool. And a lot of kids that go to big Division I schools, it takes till about junior year for them to just even get a chance to handle a camera or a chance to be behind a mic. And I got a chance to do that my first week that I came here, and that really allowed me to have a step up on my competition when I would go outside and search for internships.
The integrative program at Otterbein I think is really special for a lot of different reasons. For instance, the ways that faculty model their curriculum is really interesting. I'm in an American Lit class right now. It's a requirement I have to take. I would have to take it anywhere, but not like this. My professor is modeling it after a particular theme and a particular set of guiding questions, which gives you a critical lens through which you can understand the literature. Those types of things happen in every single class that I've ever taken.
What Otterbein does best is being supportive and encouraging of the students. If you come to Otterbein with an idea or a goal, Otterbein will direct you into resources and people who will help you succeed and reach that goal. I came to Otterbein with the goal of starting a Society of Women Engineers chapter, and before I even started classes here, I had professors emailing me saying, if you ever need anything, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I would not have been able to do this at any other university.